Namaste. Welcome to Paru Yoga. I am Paru. In this video, I am going to show you Murgasana or chicken pose. This pose is very beneficial for increasing your brain power and focus and energizes your entire body. This video was requested by Akash. Thank you so much. I am quite excited to do this since I also need to increase my memory power and focus. This pose is widely used by teachers and parents as a form of punishment for students in South Asia, especially in my country, Nepal. Channel regulars from Nepal and India are quite familiar with this pose as a form of punishment rather than is a beneficial yoga pose. From now on, thank your teachers who made you do this during your childhood, and after finding out the benefits of this pose, you may want to do regularly and encourage your kids as well. Before being on this pose, make sure you warm up and stretch your muscles and be ready. So join me for gentle warm up and stretches for some time. Now let's do Murgasana. Stand tall and straight. Inhale, exhale, open your feet wide. Inhale deep and exhale to bend your knees slowly and your hands come to the front, waving through back of your legs and catch your ears. Breathe normally. Hold on to this pose for 5 or 6 breaths or according to your comfort or stamina. Now let's add some movements to it. Let us walk few steps front and few steps back. Also, you may raise your heels up and lower them down. Inhale, exhale. Now within a minute, you can feel your entire body energized, especially the thighs, calf muscles, hands and the core muscles get engaged. Inhale, exhale. The focused weight of your entire body in your toes helps in firing your neurons, which activates your brain activity or memory power, helps in increasing eyesight, increases charm in your face and skin is much healthier. It also helps in digestion and relieves constipation. This also helps to reduce belly fat and activates the joints. Since it helps in efficient blood circulation and oxygenation of blood in your brain, so you can increase brain power by doing this regularly. Release your arms down. It is encouraged that we should do this in empty stomach. Please avoid this if you have back pain, pain in joints, high blood pressure, diabetes, and please consult your doctor before doing this. Beginners may do this for 15 to 20 seconds and increase the duration for up to 2 minutes. Staying in this pose for 2 minutes is a real challenge, and hats off to those students who stayed for more than 2 minutes. From now on, please thank your teachers if you were made to do this in front of the class. Knowingly or unknowingly, the teacher was helping you to increase your brain power, concentration, and focus on your studies. Thank you everyone for joining me in this video. It is quite fun to remember the old school days. How do you feel now about your teachers who made you do this? Please comment below. See you in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Be healthy and happy. Namaste.